We all start right here. Earth feels vast, but in the cosmos, it's just the beginning. Zoom out to the moon. You could actually fit every other planet in that small gap. Pull back further to see our local neighborhood. Earth is one of 4 rocky inner planets. But compared to our star, those planets are dust. Earth is a speck orbiting our sun.
Zoom out exponentially to the massive gas giants. They could swallow the Earth dozens of times.
Pushing past our solar system's magnetic shield, we enter the vast, cold ocean of interstellar space. Surrounding our system is the Oort cloud. Here, we must start measuring distance in light years. Traveling over 4 light years from home brings us to Alpha Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor. Zoom out more. Our sun is just drifting gracefully through the massive local interstellar cloud. This cloud is located within the Orion Arm, a minor spiral branch of our massive galaxy. Keep going, and our solar system fades into the Milky Way, holding over 100 billion stars. But our galaxy isn't alone. It drifts alongside Andromeda and dozens of others in the local group. Zoom out tens of millions of light years. These galactic neighborhoods form the massive Virgo Supercluster. We live on the edge of the branching Laniakea Supercluster. It takes light eons to cross. Zoom out further to the cosmic web, an endless network of glowing galaxies and vast, dark voids. Finally, the observable universe, trillions of galaxies, and this might just be a tiny fraction of everything. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe.